Today we are making a prawn salad, which is a favorite of mine. Fantastic! I love salad. This salad is simple but delicious. Here are the ingredients: prawns, celery, spring onions, mayonnaise, lemon juice, salt and pepper.
What should I do first, Mom?
Get a big bowl for me. And then can you wash the celery?
Sure.
I can wash the spring onions if you like, Mrs. Warner. Please, do. I'll boil the prawns. So, do English people eat lots of salad? Yes, especially in the summertime. People often serve salad as a starter. But salads also make a healthy lunch or supper. You're right, they are so versatile. And you can put anything in a salad.
Mom, the prawns are pink now.
They are pink?
Yes.
Good, they're ready. I'll drain them. Nick, can you peel them? Me, could you chop the celery and spring onions? You should be careful if you use the red knife, it's sharp. Right, everything's ready. What do we do next? Okay, first, combine the prawns and celery in the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper and some lemon juice. Now, mix all the ingredients well.
Okay.
Finally, add the spring onion on top. Now we cover the bowl and leave it in the fridge for an hour. You've done a good job, both of you. I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, I'm starving. An hour is a long time.